Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today I'm going to unbox this. This one is the Qi wireless charger, portable external battery power bank, and also it offers two of the USB connector to charge additional devices. You could charge up to 3 different devices at the same time. So this one has a smart chip inside the unit, and it offers low temperature charging, so it would not hurt your smartphone or devices, and can be charged using the data cable as well. And it is suitable for iPhone 10, iPhone 8, iPhone 8 Plus, and Samsung S8, S9, S7, S8 Plus, S7 Edge, S6, S6 Edge, Note 8, Note 5, Note 9, and Xiaomi or Huawei smartphone. So this one I purchased with my own money. I got it from eBay for $16.19. So somehow the seller jacked up the price, become $17.99. But you could also shop around. There are so many eBay sellers out there that you could find a good deal. Somehow there's the same seller selling this for $15.88. So I gotta read the description, see exactly the same one. So let's go ahead and open this up. And as you can see, this one is made in China. So actually I got this one pretty fast. The seller was ship out this pretty fast. It says smart power bank for, it didn't say for iPhone. I thought that was for iPhone, but it said for phone, USB charger, for iPod, iPhone, games player, mobile phone, MP3, MP4. So as you can see, come with the charging cable. Oh, so this is like a plastic hard case. Unfortunately, it's a crack during the shipment. So I might have to send that to the seller that my case is broken. Wow, sounds has a little weight to it, so which is good. So it says output 5 volt 1 amp, and then 5 volt 2 amp. Input voltage is 5 volt 1 amp. So there's like a wireless charging symbol there. So there's like a button right here. Wow, it is digitized. So once you press this power, it shows output. Right now it's 76%. And looks like that one is like a USB Type-C charging port, or USB Type-C. Let me check the charger. Oh, so this one is a USB charger, okay? Micro USB. Oh, so I guess this side is USB Type C, and then this side is a USB Type. This one is a micro USB on this side. Okay, so this is a pretty good unit. It allows you to have a micro USB charging cable on this side or adapter, and then on this side is a USB Type C. So you could charge 3 devices at the same time. One over here for the wireless, and then 2 at the USB port right here for your additional devices. Oh, there's a LED as a flashlight. Let me see. Nice. So unfortunately, it only has a flashlight. It does not strobe light or SOS. So you gotta double tap it to turn on and off. And then here is a power bank manual. There's English, Chinese, and all the other different languages. All right, so well, anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop me in the comments on below. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Like always, peace.